Hi folks, thanks for joining me. Another method and procedure that I've shared in the past was how to use the LCR45 meter and look at what's called the magnitude phase of the transformer when we're looking at leakage inductance. Again, leakage inductance, I'm shorting the primary side of the transformer and I'm reading the high voltage winding across the entire winding. Again, plate to plate in this case. So you can see for note 1878 ohms of resistance. What I'm going to do is just swap and place the short on the high voltage winding. We'll read across the primary and record those measurements. Simply do some math, and using those numbers we can extrapolate the number of turns for the transformer in addition to the voltages as well for the high voltage side and the secondaries. Let me get the lead swapped around. Get the meter turned back on, make sure I've got good connections here. And you can see now I'm reading around 19 ohms of DC resistance. Let me flip the meter back over to magnitude phase. And hopefully you guys can see that number there, 53.24. That's what we'll plug in, 53.24 ohms. Let's go to the calculator, plug the numbers in, and determine the turns ratio from these two measured numbers we have, again looking at leakage inductance of the transformer. Again, simply I'll just take the numbers that we measured, with the primary being shorted, what we read across the secondary, looking at the magnitude phase. We had 1878 ohms. We'll divide that by our readings across the primary with the high voltage winding shorted to 53.24, and you can see that gives us a turns ratio of 5.94. We can use the number of 5.94 to extrapolate the expected voltages for the transformer unloaded, in addition to the number of turns within the transformer for each of the windings. Again, you can see the turns ratio, roughly 5.94, using my earlier method by inserting a signal from my signal generator, a sine wave at 60 Hertz, as compared to using the LCR meter, leveraging the magnitude phase and doing the math again with the transformer looking at leakage inductance. Thanks for watching.